how are we doing network segmentation in 2025? Because obviously, we're not still relying on static ACLs or firewalls. Segmentation today is about having dynamic context, not just ports, IPs, or VLANs. In a world where users are remote, apps are everywhere, and infrastructure spans on-prem, cloud, and SaaS, the old model, flat networks with perimeter firewalls, doesn't cut it anymore. So let's talk about 4 trends that are reshaping how we handle segmentation right now. Number 1, zero trust and microsegmentation. We're past the days of trust but verify. With zero trust, it's never trust, always verify. Every user and device has to be verified, and they only get access to what they need. Then microsegmentation takes that further by breaking your network into smaller zones, so even if one segment is compromised, the threat can't spread. Number 2, identity-based segmentation. So IP addresses can't tell you who's behind the traffic, but identity-based segmentation can. It lets you define access based on who someone is, what device they're using, and what they're trying to do. Using tools like Illumio, Guardicore, or Cisco Secure Workload can let you enforce real-time policies based on behavior and not static rules. Number 3, software-defined networking and policy automation. So with SDN, segmentation is programmable. You can apply and update access policies through software across your data centers, cloud, and your edge without touching every individual switch or firewall. Using software-defined networking will keep your segmentation agile so your security can keep pace with your infrastructure changes. And last but not least, number 4, we can't forget about SASE. So SASE brings together functions like zero trust, segmentation, and SD-WAN, but delivers them at the edge through a cloud-based architecture. In a traditional model, all network traffic is routed back through a central data center, even if your user is remote and the app they're trying to access is in the cloud. This can be super inefficient, and it introduces a lot of latency. SASE changes that by enforcing the policy closer to the user wherever they are without dragging the traffic back through a central bottleneck. But at the end of the day, segmentation in 2025 is about limiting damage. You're not trying to stop every attack. You're trying to make sure that one compromised device doesn't take down your entire environment. That's why context matters, that's why identity matters, and that's why the old way of segmenting by IP just doesn't hold up anymore. So as always, I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. See you next time!